hindi ninyo. Ipapakalala rin natin yung mga kitchen staff now who are available. Okay, our camp director is responsible for the overall effective camp management and leadership to ensure successful achievement of camp goals. He effectively implements camp rules and regulations to ensure safety and security of all camp delegates. So, none other than Chito San Agustin, volunteer since, no, hindi siya 79. Hindi siya ka-batch. And camp director siya noong 2012 sa Bicol, 2011, at siya ngayon ang ating present camp director.
Okay, panapakan po natin, Kuya Chito San Agustin. Nasaan ka mga yun dito?
We have two assistant camp director. Ang isa doon ay camp director, assistant camp director for logistics. May Okay, may I call on the Assistant Camp Director for Logistics, Kuya Sky Tuprio.
Okay, palapakan natin Kuya Sky Tuprio!
Volunteer siya since 1999, tag-coordinator, at bago siya naging Diyan ka lang. So, si Kuya Sky ang logistics. So, ano naman ang mga problem ninyo sa mga kwarto nyo, ilaw, baradong mga kabets? Lahat ng mga nabasag, pwera itlog, ay si Kuya Sky. May mga tao siyang kasama. Okay? Ang ating isang assistant camp director is Kuya Jess Benitez.
Okay, palapakan po natin, Kuya Jess Benitez.
He is the assistant camp director for activity. So, naging kitchen staff siya, 203 volunteer. 2003 volunteer, senior counselor siya sa Mexico. And now, assistant camp director last year and this year. So, Kuya Jess Benitez. So, yung mga activities, actually, siya ang taga-follow up sa mga activity coordinators. To check niya kung all things are implemented. Okay? Ang ating camp secretary ay dalawa. Camp secretary and documenter handles effectively all records and documents of the camp, ensure accurate head count of the whole camp delegates, timely and accurate issuance of certificates, thank you notices, and directories. So our two camp secretaries is Ayen Elises. Ate Ayen.
Okay, panapakan po natin, Ate Ayen.
Naging senior, naging assistant camp secretary, activity core, head, grant for spec fundraising activity. Gusto ko lang ito sa akin. Okay, ang assistant secretary niya ay si Beth Makalalat.
Okay, palapakan po natin si Ate Beth Makalalat. Volunteer since 1995.
Okay, wala nang magre-reklamo sa kasi wala nang tatalo sa amin. Okay? Okay, ang ating camp treasurer, may we call on Ate Alice. Activity coordinator muna. Ang ating activity coordinators, dalawa. No? A kontrapelong dalawa. They are responsible for the proper planning and sound coordination of all developmental programs and activities of the camp, particularly for the campers, efficiently cascades and coordinate all learning activities and program presentations with the assistant camp director, senior counselors, and group representatives. Our activity coordinator is Ms. Lea Luna Bautista.
Volunteer since 1995.
Naging PBI President, Assistant Camp Director, Senior Camp and Activity Core, Fashion Show. Ang ating isa pang assistant
Palakpakan niyo ako, mas malakas ngayon!
camp coordinator is Mr. Eman Larion. Volunteer since 2000. Hoy, 2000 ka lang ba?
Yes, ayaw mo?
Parang noon pa yun eh. 1990 something. Senior counselor for so many years. And activity coordinator for so many years. Okay.
Palakpakan niyo rin ako. Thank you, darling.
Ang ating camp treasurer, napakahigpit na camp treasurer. Responsible for the effective fund management and immediately provide financial status of the camp. Timely allocates and disburses funds to facilitate marketing and other support requirements for the camp. None other than Alice Alado.
Okay, palakpakan natin, Miss Banker. Hello, Banker.
Ang isa pa nating assistant camp treasurer si Ate Abby Mendoza.
Ate Abby Mendoza is in the house. In the room, Mr.
Kita na yung mga taon yan ha. Taon na talaga yan. Binibilang nila. And why are they coming back? It's because of the kids.
Info officers.
Nakalimutan niya ako. Papa-erase ko yung camp. Ang dalawang assistant camp coordinators, ako po at si Kuya John, kami ang taga-ikot sa buong Puerto Princesa para may mangyari sa camp. Hinahabol namin lahat, pati kapulisan lahat. Pati yung warehouse ng Coca-Cola, pinapadalhan ko ng sulat para lang may kuktay sa camp. Okay, ang dalawang assistant camp coordinators, Kuya John, Adjova, and myself.
Palakpakan po natin, Madam Everlinda.
Okay, ang ating kitchen staff manager, actually, isa sa founding member, responsible for the sound planning and timely and cost-effective preparation of meals for the whole delegates, properly manages and account all meal supplies, food donations, and equipment, is headed by Kuya Oyet Sanagistin.
Okay, palakpakan po natin, Tito Oyet! Pag hindi malakas ang palakpak nyo, wala kayong merienda sa gabi.
Okay. May I call on Tita Karen Sanagistin? Si Olet Cruz, umuwi na. Tita Lisa Padilla. Tita Irene Magbala na. Akyat naman kayo dito for recognition. Tita Irene. May kulang pa tayo dyan. Jody De Castro, wala. Nene Casa.
Okay.
Ang ating, nag-round. Sister Irene, Tita Pajardo, si Tatay Philip, Rose Torres, Tita Rose,
Yung Mami Rose.
Teacher Swen, si Tita Vicky Oloteo, si Tita Yoli Javier, okay, si Mr. Carmen Roselis, Miss Carmen Roselis pala, Carmen, Tita Carmen, si Susan, at saka si Tau Tau. Nene. Okay. Hindi kayo akyat? Now, sila yung mga escort na kasama sa kitchen staff. Now, ang ating marketing staff ay headed by Kuya June Salenga. He will be coming and joining us. Siguro some of the kitchen staff will be joining Kuya June for the marketing.
Yeah! Alak pa!
Okay, Camp Information Officer acts as the education arm of the Camp Pagkakaisa, assist all visitors in inquiries and provide information about PBI. May we call on Ate Tin Yanko and Ate Kat Pinovia.
Okay, palakpakan natin Ate Kat and Ate Tin.
Mama Kat! Yan si Ate Kat. Mama Kat
Ay, tinapong ko rin sa akin.
Apo,
Gusto kasi.
tama. Tama.
Take a bow.
Okay.
Sa dami ng mga bisita,
Kilala ko na si
kulang ang
Mama Kat
iyong
nung sa
lalawan.
ASP pa eh.
Okay,
Sa ASP ko pa siya nakilala.
Ang ating medical staff
Tama.
is headed by a doctor. They provide first aid and ensure safety of all volunteers, most especially the special children. The staff, they are responsible for providing safety and security support for the whole delegation, proactively coordinates and provides support with the camp groups and other camp staff relative to physical arrangement and materials needed for the effective program presentation. May we call on Kuya Julius,
Kuya Julius.
Kuya Hans,
Kuya Han.
Kuya Mel,
Kuya Mel.
si Kuya Chino ang camp
Okay,
staff
palakpakan natin.
coordinator,
Kuya Chino.
Kuya Alan, Kuya Botbot, ayan ang mga staff.
Okay. O, dapat may kiss tayo dun sa staff coordinator. Hindi yung mga tagalino sa CR.
Yan ang ating mga staff volunteer. So kung may mga kailangan kayo kay Kuya Sky at kay Kuya Chino, kayo co-coordinate para yung mga yan. Kaya ang lalaki po ng katawan niyan, tumatabayan sa mga clogged toilets. Okay? Take a bow, guys. Ang ating equipment and supply officer, si Kuya Randy Valenciano.
Okay. Yan ang ating microscope for the camp. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make way to Kuya Randy. Bababa na kami. Go!
Okay. Alam na natin kung sino-sino yung mga staff sa camp. Ngayon naman, ipapakilala natin kung sino-sino yung ating mga senior, assistant senior, at saka junior counselors. By group. Kasama? Hindi. Okay. Senior counselors acts as the head counselor of the group, ensures that all children are well taken care of, food, medication, cleanliness, etc., ensure proper coordination of tasks to all junior counselors, ensures that activity assigned is well managed. Ang ating senior counselor ng group 4, Aspiliaga de Fort pala. Sino si Kuya Mau? Anong grupo si Kuya Mau? Group 2.
Okay, group 2, Kuya Mauro Aspiliaga de Forts.
Kuya Mau? Okay, Kuya Mau. Kaway-kaway.
Magaling yan.
Okay, ang isang grupo, group ni Lea. What group? Group 1. Ang senior counselor ay si Ate Lea Balani.
Okay, let's make way to Ate Lea Balani.
She joins the senior counselor. Of course, ano na siya, si Ate Sara, anong group ka?
Group 6.
Group 6, ang ating senior counselor ay si Ate Sara Javier. 2009 siya nag-volunteer at ngayon, naging assistant siya, ngayon naging senior counselor. Okay. Ang next senior counselor is Nancy Chua ng Group 4. 2009 siya nag-join na volunteer, naging senior counselor at ngayon senior counselor ulit. And then the next senior counselor is Kuya Daniel Velasquez, Group 5.
Go, Kuya Daniel.
Okay, and the last but not the least group, Ate Gael Mabango of Group 3, joined PBI 1989. Okay, maghintay kayo ng inyong mga assistant, mga senior. Ang assistant senior assist the senior counselor in daily tasks, assignments of the group, ensure safety of the special children, including also the volunteer. Okay? So, may I call on Ate Geraldine Kuya, ang assistant ni Kuya Mau ng Group 2. Tabi ka sa senior mo.
Please.
Tabi ka ng senior.
Please.
Takot ka sa'yo, Kuya Mau.
Please.
Okay. And ang assistant senior na Ate Nancy, Ate Sara, ay si Kuya Nanan Torres. And Group 8.
Palakpakan natin. Let's make way to Kuya Nanan Torres.
Para sa kaalaman ng nakakarami, si Kuya Nanan ay nag-umpisa bilang camper. Ngayon, tingnan niyo na, naging junior counselor, assistant, senior na siya ngayon. Next time, senior na siya. Kuya Nanan, take a bow.
Ang lambot.
Okay, si Kuya Carlos Sevillano ay assistant senior ni Ate Nancy Chua ng Group 5.
Okay, palakpakan natin Kuya Carlo.
Si Kuya Carlo nag-umpisa din sa camp as camper. Bago siya naging ano din. So, kita nyo, pero hindi sila mga mentally handicapped. I'm sure of that. Mga private, ano lang sila na sinama kasi may mga staff na ano. So, hindi naman sila mentally challenged. Baka nag-improve na daw kayo. Okay? And then ang next na assistant senior ni Kuya Daniel ay si Cha Banjola ng Group 5.
Okay, ang nagpatibok sa puso ni Kuya. Ate Cha.
Alam niyo, mas
Dapat
swerte.
na-assist natin sila.
Okay, Kuya Daniel, take care of Ate Cha.
And take care of me.
Okay. Ang assistant senior ni Leia Malani ay si Kuya Dan Aljanto.
Ang minsan nagpatibok sa puso niya.
Tabi kayo sa inyo mga ano. Bakit pa kayo nandiyan sa konto, ha? Para kayo mga ano eh. Okay. And last but not the least, ang assistant senior counselor ni Ate Gaye ay ng Group 3 ay si Kuya Joe Cañete.
Yes. Ang nagpatibok sa puso ni Ate.
Alam nyo, ang PBI may mga product na rin na nagkaasawa sa PBI volunteer. We already have 16 pairs or more. O yet, no? May 16 pairs na tayo ng PBI volunteers na dyan sila nag-gift. At ilang beses na kami ni Oyet naging magkumpare sa si Kuya Jun, no? Okay, take a bow.
Okay, palakpakan po natin ang ating 2012 Camp Pagkakaisa Seniors and Assistant Seniors.
Okay.
Sample. Sample. Okay, thank you. Lahat sila papakilala pa, tita? Junior counselor na. Lahat isa-isa pa.
Okay, ang activity ng junior, ang functions ng junior counselor, takes care of his or her assigned camper, assist camper in his or her daily needs, motivate the campers in doing his or her talent skills, educates people around them whenever there's a need and opportunity, and participate actively in all activities. I think napakahaba na kung we will call all of them. Okay. So, that's all. Makikilala naman natin ang mga junior counselor sa recognition day. Okay, ito ngayon ang campsite natin. Where we will be having our activity, no? Sometimes we can have our activity here, pero sa ating barangay night, I requested sa amphitheater, sa malapit din dito, para kita ng public. At saka, ang kagandahan ng Pilot Elementary, ang labas niyan, mga bahay agad. Unlike dun sa Palawan National School, ang labas noon ay mga eskwelahan. So, ano. Okay, so yan ang pinakaano ng covered court. At ito ang mga classrooms, no? So, bawat grupo may 2 kwarto dyan, at saka may CR, may electric fan, o may ceiling fan. So, paikot po yan. Medyo malawak ang ground, so the children can move freely, no? Hanggang dyan, no? Yan, paikot. So, we can have our morning exercise here in front. Yung ating mga jogging, but we just have to maintain the ground, cleanliness, kagaya niyan. So yan ang kwarto. Actually, 4 na rooms yan, so 2 grupo dyan. Mamimili lang daw tayo kung alin. Kasi bago tayo dadating, by the way, gagamitin ng eskwelahan. Lahat ng eskwelahan gagamitin sa pinaka-major conference ng mga media from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So, sa eskwelahan nga na to, nakabilit ang 500 people. So, bago tayo dumating, April 6 to 13, gamit po nila yan. Stag, take note. So, pagdating natin doon, gabi ng April 14, the whole day of April 14, yun lang tayo tatrabaho. Although, pagdating ng stag nung earlier, I asked the principal to provide you 1 room for the stag and 1 room for some equipment para you can already start putting up yung electricals, yung mga sampayan ng mga damit, at saka yung mga marks ng kwarto. Yung natin. So, actually, hindi naman sila linisin kasi dati na silang malinis, sabi ng principal, kakagamit lang. So, wala namang masyadong, ang kainaman kasi dito, bawat kwarto may CR. Sa Palawan National School, common ang CR sa labas pa ng kwarto. So, for every, sa labas pa ng building ang CR, so may hirapan ang mga bata. At saka, doon tayo binabigay sa sulok-sulok, na parang sabi ko nakakatakot naman. Dahil ang Palawan National School may summer classes, so the classrooms are being used. So dito, elementary ito, walang summer class dito. So yan ang ground. Mga turista yan nandun.
Sino yan, tita?
Okay, so pakita namin yung canteen oil para doon kayo mag-ano ng kitchen. Ayan ang canteen. Ano pa? Ang laki naman ng canteen. Yan, school canteen. Diretso yan eh. Ayan ang loob dito oil. Yan. Pwede tayo mag-install daw ng ano doon sa kabila. Sa labas, kung ano tayo. Mayroon ng kapong malaki. Don't worry, mayroon na kami. PSW. Sila, hindi pinaglulutuan yun ng mga yan ang canteen. So, at ito ang isa pa sa kwarto na gabaldon. Ito yung mga old building.
Kwarto natin yan.
Yan ang kwarto ng staff. Yan ang kwarto ng staff.
Diyan nyo kami akaranahin.
Hindi kasi nasa harapan yan. Ang mga kwarto ng mga campers and bunkers doon. Ito ang harap.
Ganda nga niya, presko.
Okay. Iikot ko pa nga.
Ganda kaya niya, presko.
O, ayan ang kwan, kasama doon. Kasi Gabaldon building yan, pinaka-old Spanish building. O, ayan ang harap. Yan ang harap nung yung ano na yun. So far yan ang pinaka-ano. So yung 5 streamers, dito ilalagay sa stage, tapos doon sa City Hall, doon sa pagdating natin may streamer at saka sa isang ano. Now, kung magpapagawa tayo ng streamer dito para naman sa parade.